Welcome. In front of me I have Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on the smartphone. So let's start from opening the box with tempered glass, and inside we can find two wipes, the wet and the dry, and also tempered glass. As you can see, this tempered glass is not for the exact model, but the technique of the installation is the same for everyone, so don't mind about that. Okay, at the first we have to use the wet one, and it will be also really good if you prepare a good source of light to see a very mess that you have on your screen, because we have to clean it very good and make it to the good condition. So let's start. Just make the gestures like in the circle. We can put it on the another side. Okay, and it looks like that right now. So we have to move for the dry one, and you can make the same moves. Make it in a circle, and as you can see, after a few moments the screen is in a really good condition, so we can simply move for our tempered glass. We have to take off this sticker, so just make it like that. Sometimes happen that the sticker doesn't follow with the foil, so you have to, if this happened to you, you have to put your fingernail under this foil right here, and also you can uninstall it without this sticker. Okay, so when you make it, you have to be sure that on the screen you cannot find something like piece of the dust, because when you put tempered glass and under you will get the dust, you will get this air bubbles under the tempered glass. Of course, we want to avoid that one, so be sure that everything is fine. In my case, it's everything is fine, so I can put it just like that. I can recommend you to start from the upper section of the screen and just keep holding the bottom part like that. Okay, and if you're sure that it's in the good position, you can put the bottom part, and you can simply swipe with your finger just like that, and as you can see, it goes almost automatically, so you don't even have to do anything. And right now we can grab this wipe and clean your tempered glass. Okay, and as you can see right now, we easily put the glass on the screen, and we can easily use our smartphone. As you can see, there is any problem with the touch interaction, so we don't have to be afraid of that. And that's all. But if you have any problem with the touch interaction, for example, you got a little bit tougher glass, you can increase screen sensitivity. You can type sensitivity in the settings. Okay, we can find it. So let's go for the display, and here we'll get this option, or it's called the glove mode. Yeah, there it is. So if you get some problem with the touch interaction, you can turn on the glove mode to increase screen sensitivity when you put on the screen on the display tempered glass, and everything will be fine. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.